What's worse? Hearing somebody breathe hella heavy, or hearing somebody chew hella loud?
Chew. Could be like that shit ain't that good.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Is that breathing shit?
Especially on the mic in the game.
Close your mouth.
That's Johnny.
No, but chewing on the mic on the game is just as worse. Though.
No, I feel like the breathing shit get it when it's a fat motherfucker. Like when it's a fat motherfucker that just sit there just.
But
That shit aggravating.
I'm like.
No, I'm going.
Niggas run out of breath by sitting there.
How you get tired on 2K?
How you get
That makes no sense.
That nigga said how you get tired on 2K.
I'm trying to tell you. Nah, it'll be the breathing for sure.
Nah,
it's hot too.
It's breathing. It's definitely breathing.
And you know it's hot.
I got chewing. You got breathing, Johnny.
I got chewing.
breathing.
Breathing.
Chewing.
Chewing.
Good bit.